Hello guys, welcome to Skill Up channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert Word files to PDF. Without wasting time, let's jump to it. To do that, open your Word file, then click on the left corner on the file. Then click on Save As. Then choose your location to save your file. Then give it a name. Then click here. Here you can select different format. Click on PDF. Then click on Save. You are done. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of videos, so please subscribe this channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and share this video with your friends.